Hello, welcome to my EDU709 project presentation. My name is Connie Barber. My project today that I'm going to be showing is for my online orientation for students enrolled in my online courses. The objective of my project was to add multimedia to my online courses. I wanted to enhance my online courses to make them more user-friendly, to appeal to many different learning styles, and to have some fun along the way. I began my research and looked at avatars and screencasting. By adding speaking avatars and screencast videos, students will be engaged in learning the course content. And it'll also make it more interesting. Let's first look at avatars. After much research during this course, I found that Voki was my first choice for a speaking avatar. Why? Because it was free, easy to use, easy to publish to a course site, a 60-second time limit, and it makes a great weekly announcement. So you want to try Voki? Teachers will have to go online to voki.com, create a free account. Once you create your account, you will be able to pick your character. In this case, I picked a character that was more human-like. You can also pick one that's more cartoon-like. Then over here you can dress your character. You can add some bling, choose your colors and tweak some of your facial features down here. Most importantly, give it a voice. You can either record your own voice or you can type in the text that you want Voki to speak and their voice will speak it for you. Of course, we can't forget a background and a different colored or a different type of a media player around the Voki. And then last but not least, publish it. Once you publish it, you can select your size. I normally just go with the default medium size. There are two ways in which you can embed this into your course site. You can take the embed code and copy and paste the embed code into your course. Or you can go down here at the bottom and say a standard Voki link. Voki will create a web page for you with a link, and you can copy that link and paste it into your course site. When students then click on the link, it opens up a new web page with your avatar playing. So I chose to do Voki as an announcement. This is going to be my systems analysis and design class that students are enrolled in for fall online. And you'll see there's my Voki, and I'm going to show you two ways. One in the learning management system itself. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Students will log in to our e-learning site at Delta College. Once they log into the particular systems analysis and design course, they will get the home page. On the home page, they will see my written course announcement, but then they will see my Voki, and by clicking the play button, my Voki will begin.
Please do not fall behind. Most students that stay ahead in an online class or stay on schedule usually end up doing very well in this course. So I look forward to meeting you all online. I'll see you in cyberspace.
Okay, so that was my Voki inside my learning management system called Desire to Learn at my school. The next one is a course site that I'm working on in Weebly.com. I'm creating an online course for my Microsoft Excel course, and you'll see that I also embedded a Voki in my course site here. I'm going to go ahead and play this one.
Hello! Welcome to Delta College and welcome to Microsoft Excel. Even though you think you know a little about Excel, you will be amazed at what you will learn. Please familiarize yourself with the course website. Click on the Orientation tab on the left. Then read the course syllabus and online orientation and complete the orientation quiz. If you have any questions, please know that I am here and am willing to assist you in any way. Again, welcome to the course. It's going to be fun.
Okay, so what difference do you see between those two Vokies? The first one was my voice. It was something that I recorded. And the one inside my Weebly class, well, that was Voki's voice. Pretty cool, huh? So you can choose which one you like. All right, let's take a look at the second part of my project, screencasting. I teach computer classes, and teaching some advanced features of these software programs can be very challenging, especially online. Students are trying to follow the textbook. They can easily get confused if they click somewhere off of where the textbook tells them, and then they've been led astray and they don't know how to get back. So I decided that screencasting would be an awesome feature to teach students. I could demonstrate how to create a pivot table in Excel. Students can watch that video, and they can watch it several times until they get the hang of how to create a pivot table in Excel. I chose to use Jing. Jing is free, easy to learn. There's only 3 buttons, as you can see right here. 5-minute time limit, so you're not overwhelming your students. It saves your video as an MPEG-4 format. You can post it to a website called screencast.com if you want. You can save the video, or you could actually embed it into your course site. So that takes me to my lesson plan, an online orientation of what I wanted my students to do. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my course in my Desire to Learn software program, and I'm going to go to the content page. You'll see that I have links for the things I want my students to do, and there's the D2L video that I want my students to watch. So this is what I've actually created for my students.
Hello and welcome. I'm Connie Barber. This is my online orientation video that's going to give you a quick, brief introduction to the course. So once you log in to e-learning, also known as Desire to Learn or D2L, you will see a list of classes that you'll need to pick from. And once you pick the particular course that the instructor has opened up for you, in this case the Systems Analysis 235 course, you can click that link and you will come to the home page of where I'm at right now. You'll see I have various items on the home page, calendar, other Delta College resource links, the main announcement, I have it in writing, but then I also have a video chat that kind of briefly explains each week. And I do update it every week. You'll know that by a different caricature in the video chat. To hear the video chat, you're just going to click the play button. The video will start playing, and you can hear pretty much the same thing, maybe in a little shorter version of what I have in writing here for the announcement. The most important page in this course is the content page. I have everything outlined under this content page that you will need to do. Yes, I have discussions. You can click on the discussions. You'll see all the discussions that you'll be posting, and you would have to click on the certain one that is due in that particular week or module, or we could go back to content and click the course discussions. I have a task list outlined. You can open it up with Microsoft Excel, and you'll see for this orientation module you need to read the course syllabus, read the online orientation, and watch this video, complete a quiz, upload the quiz to the Dropbox, and then post something on the discussion board. Here's the course syllabus for you, so you'll see all the links. I recommend printing it by clicking the print button here. The online orientation is kind of what I'm going through right now, but there is a lot more information that I can't cover in this video that is in the online orientation, so you'll probably need to read that also, and I recommend printing it also by clicking the print button. So you'll see I do have links for everything that you're going to need. I have a Dropbox for you to submit your homework to, and all you're going to do then is once you download the orientation quiz or the homework, or you create it in some type of Office program, you're going to save it on your computer, you're going to add a file, you're going to update it, you're going to find that file on your computer by clicking Browse, selecting a file, I'll just select one right here, and clicking I click upload, it's going to upload it to the Dropbox, and you're going to see then that I have a submission for it. Alright, so there it is, and you can put in a comment to me if you like, and then click the submit button, and it says that it was sent successfully, and you will know that because you will also get an email in your email box. So you can also go to Dropbox. We won't be using groups, and you'll see that for the orientation quiz you have one submission. It has not been graded yet. Once it gets graded, you'll see a score here and when everything is due. So if no submissions are listed, you'll know that you have a missing assignment. Testing is where all of the chapter quizzes and midterm is located, but again, under the content page, you will see the chapter 1 quiz right down here. Grades is where you'll be able to see all of your grades that have been posted, and you'll see that nothing's been graded yet here, but you'll see each grade for each assignment for your for the course. Class list is where you'll see everybody enrolled in the course. You can send an email to me or another student, and also use the email, or you could send a specific email to someone if you know their address. So this is a quick overview of D2L and our course site. I hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see you online. Take care.
Okay, so once students will go ahead and read the course syllabus, watch the video, they will download the orientation quiz, which is a Microsoft Word document, and they will fill in the answers. They will save it and upload it as I showed in my video, and they'll be done with the orientation module for this particular course. So I hope you'll see that by adding voki, multimedia, and some jing, we're making this course a lot more user-friendly. Take care.